Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make coffee mug cake. In a bowl, take 2 spoons of milk, 2 spoons coffee, and 5 spoons of powdered sugar. Now let's mix everything together. Add 1/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour and mix it slowly. Again add 1/4 cup of maida and mix it to form a batter. Add 1 spoon oil and mix it well. You can make this directly in the mug, but it is difficult to mix and form a good consistency, so it's better to mix it in a bowl, especially if you are a beginner. At this step, you can also add 1 spoon of cocoa powder to get chocolatey mocha flavor. Next add 1/4 spoon baking powder and 1/4 spoon of baking soda. Now let's pour this batter in the mug. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Now let's keep the mug in the oven and bake it at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. So our delicious coffee flavored mug cake is now ready. Do try out this recipe and let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Broke&Hungry.